السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today is the chief guest, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Abu Said Abbasi Shahid Abbasi Shahid has from Bhola educationist. Chief guest, Dhamma teacher, and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Now I will talking about our madrasa education system. My history is very glorious. The Nitya Madrasa education system was built by our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when the Holy Quran was revealed to him. The madrasa name is Charbangla Gatul Quran Hafizia Madrasa and Reference. Although it is a small madrasa, it has 100 students and for all trained teachers.